Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Target calculation for $100 monthly income. Many people want to know how much money they need to invest in order to receive a fixed amount of dividend income every month. So, in this short guide, we will use a simple formula to estimate the portfolio size required to earn $100 per month from dividends. First, we begin by setting the monthly income goal. In this example, the target is $100 per month in dividend income. This means the investor wants their portfolio to generate $100 every month without selling shares. Next, we convert the monthly income goal into an annual dividend income goal. Since there are 12 months in a year, we multiply $100 by 12. Therefore, $100 multiplied by 12 equals $1,200 per year. So, the portfolio must generate $1,200 in annual dividend income. After that, we need to choose an expected dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much income an investment produces each year compared to the amount invested. For example, a 4% dividend yield means the portfolio generates 4% of its value as annual dividend income. Now, let's use the main formula. The required portfolio is equal to the annual dividend goal divided by the dividend yield. In this case, the annual dividend goal is $1,200. So, the calculation becomes $1,200 divided by the chosen dividend yield. For example, if the expected dividend yield is 4%, we convert 4% into decimal form, which is 0.04. Then we divide $1,200 by 0.04. This gives us $30,000. Therefore, at a 4% dividend yield, an investor would need about $30,000 invested to earn around $100 per month in dividends. However, the required amount changes depending on the dividend yield. If the yield is 2%, the target portfolio would be about $60,000. If the yield is 3%, the target would be around $40,000. At 4%, it becomes $30,000. At 5%, it drops to $24,000. And at 6%, the required portfolio would be about $20,000. As we can see, a higher dividend yield reduces the amount of money needed to reach the same monthly income goal. But at the same time, higher yields can sometimes come with higher risk. So, it is important to look at the quality and stability of the investment, not just the yield number. In addition, dividend yields can change over time. Companies may increase, reduce, or stop dividend payments depending on their financial condition. Taxes, fees, and dividend cuts can also reduce the actual income received by the investor. Furthermore, reinvesting dividends can help grow the portfolio faster. When dividends are used to buy more shares, those extra shares may produce more dividends in the future. Over time, this can help investors move closer to their income goals. So, the quick rule is simple. Monthly goal multiplied by 12, then divided by dividend yield, equals the wealth target. For a $100 monthly dividend income goal, the annual income target is $1,200. And at a 4% dividend yield, the estimated wealth target is $30,000. Remember, this is only for illustration and education. It is not financial advice, and actual results may vary depending on investment choices, market conditions, taxes, and risk. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.